Magaling na, lalo pang gumaling ngayon, getting in closer to the ano. So, mahirap talaga.
Lalo lang na na-reinforce yung belief ko na talagang napakatindi ng Pinoy. Some of them rise to the occasion, some of them naman, yung they fumble. Siyempre, it's painful kasi kahit na judge kami, in our minds, we're also fans. And then to see them fall, to see them make mistakes, it hurts us also.
Total na pag-uusapan din lang ang magagaling, kamustahin nga natin ang professional singer na si Devo. Day 1 pa lang, mukhang confident na siyang makakapasok siya sa next round.
For me, this Philippine Idol is a chance for me to continue what I started in this business. Aminin ko, I've won several titles, internationally and locally. Triple actually ang pressure sa akin because we already started a name. Kung hindi ako mapili, bago pa dumating yun, gagawin ko muna kung anong meron ako. To show them. Wala na, atrasan to. So,
kaya naman pala ganun na lang ang pag-i-ensayo ni Devo at ng kanyang grupo.
we're not aiming naman na maganda, basta maging presentable. Na maging professional kami on stage.
Lahat naman tayo, alam natin, Devo is is a professional singer already.
Now I'm trapped in a stairway.
So talagang makikinig ako.
Oh, trap. Ikaw lang yun, ha? Oh, trap.
Practice pa lang namin, kanya-kanya kami, hindi kami nagsasapawan. Meron kami mga, tinatawag nga, may mga moments kami, di ba?
Judges, you just like watching a new variety show.
Ayun pinaghandaan namin, kaya masasabi namin dapat pa.
Yeah, we give effort on this.
All right, are you ready? Children?
Now I'm trapped in a stairway, locked out of love. I am trapped in a stairway, getting out on a shotgun a day. It's too late. At best, I'm a mess in distress. SOS. With his heart, oh my God. Fire. Oh, trapped in a stairway, like out of love. Trapped in a stairway. This could only happen to me. If somebody make a gesture, thumbs up, especially with people, I think that would be a great song.
Dito sa CCP, uso rin ang patalbugan sa isa't isa.
Feeling ko hindi siya ganun katindi yung group namin.
Lahat kami, parang iba't ibang ranges. Nakita ko yung ibang grupo talagang, devoted sila yung sa pagpapractice nila. Go, practice tayo, kahit walang tulugan.
Yung amin parang so-so lang.
May tarayan factor ba sa grupo ni na Janice, Zandra at Marinel?
Naramdaman ko na may friction yung dalawa. Kasi puro sila magagaling eh.
Gusto ko magmagaling pero wala naman nagmamagaling.
Dinibdib ko yung sinabi ni Marinel na, okay lang yan, bukas na lang tayo magpa-practice kasi dali lang naman yun eh. Ako okay lang eh, kasi nakikita nyo naman siguro parang game na game, walang pakialam na lang.
May mabait si Sandra, oo. Medyo nahihirapan lang siya sa mga ibang tono.
Sa musicality, sa tingin ko, parang mahina siya. I don't want to display myself to anybody. Like, just like, oh, I want to be like this, I want to be like that. So you're so show off na. So hindi ako ganyan eh. Ako Bisaya, ako pero malumanay na Bisaya. Siya parang pabigla-bigla na, oh, ano ba? Sige, practice na tayo. Practicein, kailangan pa ba to eh? Kayang-kaya na ito eh. Hindi ko naman sila kilala eh. I don't know both of them. Baka may ulo na to, mawala pa nga eh, no? Bahala na talaga ano mangyari dito.
Oh, awat na muna. Baka kung saan pa mapunta ang usapan, mahirap na. Pero ang grupo ni na Janice, Zandra at Marinel, magkasundo rin kaya sa gagawing performance sa loob?
Wala nagtarayan, nagsabi, ba't yan? Ba't?
Sabi ko, ba't ikaw nasa gitna? Sabi ko, ikaw.
Did you enjoy the song?
Apa.
Are you ready? Okay, let's hear it.
All right.
So excited, and I just can't hide it. I'm about to lose control, and I think I like it. Yeah, I'm so excited, and I just can't hide it. And I know, I want
night. I want to love you, feel you, wrap myself around you. I want to squeeze you. I know, I want you, I want you. I'm so excited, and I just can't hide it. No, 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 yeah. I know, I know, I know, I know, I know. I want you, I want you. I'm so excited. I'm so I'm about to lose control, and I think I like it. I'm so excited, and I just can't hide it. I know, I know, I know, I know, I know. I want you, I want you.
Okay lang yun. At least we did our best.
At least napakita natin na kahit nagkamali tayo. The show must go on ba?
Yes, kasi nga kulang tayo sa practice, no?
O kasi sabi ko sa'yo kaya mag-practice tayo. Hindi, joke. Ayun, nagkamali po kami. Pero okay lang. Dumating talaga sa point na nagkakamali talaga.
Pero sana nag-ano tayo yung practice more.
Nag-practice tayo. Okay lang. Diba? Yun yun.
Pero paano na kapag katawan na mismo ang bumigay?
Dalawa lang kami ni Erica kasi Jonah is sick. She needs to rest, so...
May sakit po yan.
Sana, hopefully, tomorrow may time pa kami na makapag-rehearse.
Love like this can die if we don't let it go.
Pag tinamaan ka na ng sakit, the show must go on pa rin ba ang drama?
Yung choreography, wala pa.
Wala pa din.
I'm confessing, I don't wanna let you go.
Mabilis kasi.
I don't wanna let you go.
Oh, di ba? Oh, naintindihan mo na ako.
Makayanan kaya ni Jonalyn ang pressure sa stage? Good luck.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Oh, here you go.
You ready?
I'm living dreamer, and I'm reaching for a star too high against it. And baby, I believe in for all time, and the miracle of the love and might. It's a lonely feeling when the meaning's gone. I'm confessing, I don't wanna let you go, and I'm burning for the love that you don't show me anymore. And all of the dreams that we whispered about, they went into my heart and they never came out. And a love like this can die if we don't let it go. And silent falling me, I'll be coming through. There ain't nothing gonna keep me from you, my love. No, nothing, nothing gonna keep me from you, my love. I'll find you. Heaven knows help me high. I'll be by your side. There ain't nothing gonna keep me from you, my love. No, nothing, nothing gonna keep me from you, my love. I'll find you. Heaven knows I would move for you, darling. Whatever it takes to be where you are. With a stronger love, let me flow to you, baby. You ain't got no power for breaking my heart. You ain't got the power for breaking my heart.
Kalakyat kami. Unang-una wala kang marinig sa boses ko.
Pero mas kinabahan po ako dun sa steps kasi hindi po talaga ako sumasayaw.
Nag-enjoy naman kami, so... In-enjoy lang namin. It was fun. Masaya! And it's up to
Nawala
God.
na yung kabali.
Yeah.
Coming up on Filipino Idol, makatulong kaya ang pagtutok ng stage mom sa grupong ito?
Alam ko kaya mo, bata pa naman. May pagkakataon pa eh.
At kung isa lang ang papasa sa bagong best friends na sina Freddie at Ruel, sino ang hula mo?